of Maguireism can you be self-inflicted pain? Self-inflicted pain. And this Wakabaka made sacrifices, including people who are religious leaders, the Muzatas, the archbishops, the late archbishops. They all shed their blood because they made their contribution. Ladies and gentlemen, you cannot stand at Kamoja or Kavule or elsewhere, even in London, and disparage these people. Because you need them. Because you're a product of their blood. You're a product of their contributions. You can attempt to disparage Mukaaku or Mabike, but religious leaders, cultural leaders, and our revered, respected people, and diplomats, and leaders cannot be allowed to be treated in that way. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to know, is the decision for the DP bloc to end the cooperation with the NUP, is it wrong in that particular aspect? No. At this time, when we're only 6 months away to the penultimate year of elections, is that decision wrong? No. I want to hear you. Is that decision wrong? No. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. We shall move. The challenges are going to be tough. The journey is going to be arduous.